My uncle had a relationship, along with my father, with American Hospital Supply Corporation. And they wanted to know if it was possible to make a tray out of fiberglass. And my dad, being the manufacturing person, didn't know a thing about fiberglass. And he said, yeah, absolutely, no problem. That's how it started.
Back in 1951, the Cambro brothers came up with a product idea that solved a food service need, the Cam tray. That simple tray led to creating a company that has revolutionized the worldwide food service industry. One brother was the salesman.
The original Argyle, he was a sales guy. He was a pioneer. He was a maverick, the original true salesperson of Cambro.
The other brother was the innovator.
There wasn't anything Bill said he couldn't do.
In those days, I would say he was the smartest person in the company.
He was really sort of an inventor, and he was always doing something.
He knew a lot about a lot of things. He knew a lot about manufacturing. He is a self-taught engineer.
And from the next generation came the visionary.
Argyle was the one that could see what is going to happen.
Argyle literally took the company from one level and took it up to the next.
I've watched the company triple in size during his reign.
He set up the international distribution channels.
He has done a tremendous job of leading the company from what would have been a normal company into a worldwide leader in the food service industry.
I did probably get a lot of my management style through just observing and through osmosis, and then when I did take over, it just sort of came naturally. I didn't do it the same way, though.
Since 1951, Cambro, short for Campbell Brothers, has gone from one salesman to a global sales and distribution network, from one small shop to a number of manufacturing facilities around the world. Cambro's international growth has been fueled by their product expansion and the global customer demand for those products.
Everybody wants to see new products come along, because if you don't sell new products, you don't have a future.
One of the reasons why Cambro is considered the global leader in the food service industry is we are known to come out with innovative and new products.
We went from a tray to containers, bus boxes, all different types of products.
We've never had a shortage of ideas. We have a backlog of ideas.
There's a lot of companies out there manufacturing similar products, but none of them are to the same quality level as Cambro.
We have introduced more new products in the last few years, certainly the last decade, than all of our global competitors combined.
The products that make us successful are the ones that do as advertised, and I like to think that all 14,000 of our products do that.
This is the story of Cambro's vision, focus, and their passion to innovate the food service industry around the world.
The vision is simple. We stay in food service. We concentrate on a product quality, service to our customers.
Everybody is encouraged to come up with new ideas, better ideas, all focused solely on the food service industry.
Not only do we innovate on the outside, but we're constantly innovating on the inside.
The philosophy around here has always been, why not try it?
It's just something that goes on and on and on and on. I think it separates us from our competition.
The family-owned and operated company surrounds themselves with people who not only share their vision, but are just as committed in supporting Cambro's future growth.
I think Cambro's greatest strength is that we have long-standing employees, and we all know the direction that Cambro's going.
I'm proud to be a second generation of Cambro. As I'm going in visiting some of these distributors that my father called on, I'm visiting the sons, which are now head of the operations, which are now bringing their sons in, which now makes me feel old.
The processes, the machines, the boxes that we move through the system, none of that will happen unless we have the right people.
But I think everyone who works at Cambro is very entrepreneurial. People are empowered to make decisions at every level of the organization.
We've grown quite a bit, which allows people to do a lot of different functions, wear a lot of different hats.
We have a team that's pretty darn smart.
Every Cambro product is engineered to help food service operators increase sales, reduce labor, and improve service. Cambro is committed to creating and providing the most durable and highest quality products for the food service industry.
Customers will not pay for us to be inefficient. They just won't.
People buy from people that take care of them.
They trust us to deliver the same quality product no matter where it's produced.
We're going to make something the same way every single time.
Our product either can make or break an operation.
The performance of the product itself is unsurpassable.
People actually will hug our products that use them on a daily basis.
The tracking and the dating of everything comes from Cambro, and that just shows the integrity and the commitment that we have with the food service industry.
If you don't have a loyal customer, you don't have a business.
Ongoing research and investment are instrumental to Cambro's growth. Continuous improvement is ingrained into the company's culture.
The international expansion is still a tremendous growth opportunity for us.
We're manufacturing in different countries now and servicing different markets.
Because being able to deliver faster than anybody overseas is going to be the competitive advantage for the future.
I think the nice thing about Cambro now is that we're large enough so that we can look at any technology that's out there that we can bring in-house to continue to innovate.
And being privately held does give us the flexibility and quick decision making.
It's the innovation, it's the spirit, it's the continuation of the spirit and the innovation that has carried Cambro through. And I'm proud to be a representative of the company that has such a spirit.
I think we just stayed true to our ideas. We focus on every single day, and the people around here probably think I'm up on this stand every day preaching this, is service and quality. We have to strive every single day to keep that at a very high level. That's the key to the company. If we do that, there's no reason, once we get a customer, no reason for any customer to leave us.
Without investment in your facilities, in your manufacturing, in your technology, you can't get to that next level to grow not only domestically but internationally as well.
So we found the formula that works for us. We focus on food service, we manufacture durable, trustworthy products, we reinvest in our business and take care of our customers and our people. And we are flexible and open to new ideas, opportunities, and technologies. That formula worked for my dad and my uncle, and it still holds true today. The future's bright for Cambro, and there's nothing but opportunity ahead of us. We've been in business a long time, but as I see it, we're just getting started.